breakfast. I'm kind of hungry. Or were you too lazy to make it? Yeah, I'm too lazy. I am kind of hungry. I feel like my stomach is empty. Because it probably is.
Yeah, I did.